Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about one of the gorgeous flowering plant, IXORA. You can see right behind me these red color flowers. We'll talk about how to grow them, what kind of care they require, and also we'll talk about its sunlight and water requirements. IXORAs are also known as Junglegerenium, flame of woods and jungle flame. They come in many colors such as pink, red, orange. It's a flowering shrub and this comes in two varieties. The one you can see right behind me, this grows taller, and the other one is dwarf size. That won't grow much bigger, but they will also be a bush variety. As I already told, they come in many colors: pink, red, orange and yellow colors. They bloom in bunch, you can see. An amazing fact about these flowers are once they bloom, they remain for more than 4 to 5 weeks. Amazing, isn't it? This means once the flower will bloom, it will remain for more than a month. Now let's talk about their water and sunlight requirements. This plant can be very easily grown in full sunlight as well as in partial shade. When I talk about partial shade, it means it should get at least 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. It can be filtered or direct, anything. They will bloom in partial sunlight as well. Otherwise, usually what happens for most of the flowering plants, they need full sunlight and direct sunlight for blooming. They will grow well in partial shade as well, but they won't flower if they are not getting full sunlight. But this is not the case with IXORAs. They bloom even in partial shade. Now coming to its soil requirement, they are absolutely easy to grow in almost any kind of soil. Very easy to grow in pots and containers as well. You can grow them in almost all kind of soil except clay. Clay is used for aquatic plants only. Alright, let's talk about their water requirements. IXORAs love lots and lots of water like ferns. So the only thing you need to keep in mind while growing them in soil is it should be well drained soil. Any kind of soil is okay, but the water should drain out completely. It should not get stagnant in the pot if you're growing in pot. And if you will overwater your plant also, it's not going to harm its roots or the plant. They will thrive. Another amazing point about this plant is they bloom almost round the year, but they bloom heavily during summers and monsoon. Let's talk about how to get more blossoms, more flowers in this plant. The key to get more flowers in any plant, not just IXORAs, is pruning. Pruning, when we talk about pruning, pruning means chopping off the top stem, something like this. If you cut the stem, it will produce lots many new branches, hence lots many flowers. So this is the key to get more flowers. You can see right here, in this branch and in this one. If you cut the top branch, you will see lots many new shoots coming up, lots many new flower buds and flowers. So this is the trick to make any plant bushier, dense, and this way you will get lots many flowers as well in any plant, not just IXORAs. So that's all I know about this plant. Do let me know if I missed any point discussing about this plant, and if you like to see more of flowering plant series, or you want to know more about seasonal flowering plants, do let me know. Bye.